Alrighty, guys, real quick. Anybody recognize this? Yes, guys, typical headliner. Now, based on this rectangular design in the center, what do y'all suppose go there? That's right, guys, the sunroof assembly. Now, here's the deal. I just had to come over here and he needed help. He couldn't do this by himself, so I helped him get it all out. Now, let me tell y'all something about people that park under trees or forget and leave their sunroof open or either partially open, because this customer here was not having it. Okay, now it's a fairly new car, and in their eyes everything about this car should be covered under warranty. All right, no. Sometimes guys, let me climb up here, because if you accidentally leave the top your sunroof partially open, there's some little branches, trees, or anything could get trapped up in the track. To say if you left it partially open right here and a branch fall down here, you get up the next morning, lucky you, it didn't rain. You happy, right? You go to close it and you hear a crunch. What comes after that crunch? More crunching. Know what that means? Yeah, you screwed up. Okay, so in some cases that's considered you're not under warranty anymore. All right. Yeah. So what happens when that happens? You fight with your company, your warranty company. All right. The factory, whoever you thought was going to warranty this. Okay. Now, there's still some legal ramification going on. So I can't say too much. But however, I just want to put this out there to anybody that has a sunroof and they reckless with forgetting to close it all the way. There are some things that can fall out of a tree into your sunroof assembly and cause this. All right, so you guys be careful if y'all got sunroof. Now, a couple of things. Yeah, airbags. Okay, so in the event of a side collision, yeah, you're gonna get. Yeah, cars are now more and more safety. The drain tube, guys, make sure. Well, you got everybody that owns a sunroof vehicle know this is a drain water, and it drains down the outside of the car. So you have to avoid water leaks, try to keep that clean. But yeah, we have some recalls on several models, not this one, but we're replacing all of this. But yeah, cars are more and more safer as far as trying to prevent catastrophic auto accident collision. But I don't want much. I don't even want to talk that much, but put that warning out there, man. If you're parking under a tree, close your damn sunroof all the way, or you're going to be faced with such a tab. All right, this guy here, he's a trim geek. All right, yeah, this is not my, like I said, we don't specialize. So had I got the ticket, had the dispatcher dispatch me this ticket, guess what? I would have been over here. But I would have got it done. Yeah, we all moan and bitch and moan about stuff we don't want to do. Yeah, so now compare this to